Hi everyone, we are a group called Plastic Free from Tagbilaran City, Bohol. It was very tiring because of a lot of walking. Yes, and the traffic. But now I'm enjoying it because of this paint war. Yes. Yeah. Yes! Number 9. For champion. Manguli, nagkahuman! Manguli, kaya wala na yung kwarta! Yes! Klase na, ugma! Yes! Klase na may ugma, kaya wala po may kwarta, manguli na may. My message to the people, Chares. My message is that ma-healthy gyapon mi and healthy among friendship gyapon and ma-success po mi sa life para more travels to come with our friends.